Hello, in this video I want to help you create internal links in Keynote for the iPad. To do that, I want to touch the object. Let's pretend that I want to make this house and a link to be a home button to go back to this screen right here. So it does not have to be linear. What I'm going to do after I touched it one time, I will see this arrow button, so I'll touch that. Oops, I made a small mistake, so I'll fix it. Again, I'm touching this arrow button. And then you'll see the link. So I'll touch the link button. Here you can do several standards things. You can go to the first slide of the presentation, last slide, etc. Or you can go to a specific slide. So in this example, I want to make it connect to slide 16. So I'm going to touch up here and I will choose, oops, I made a mistake. And I want to choose link to slide. And then you can come down to 16. Let's show those steps one more time. Let's pretend that, just for now, let's pretend that the microphone is my home button. I'm touching it one time. I'm touching the arrow button. I'm choosing link. And at this point, you can come right here and choose which button you want it to go to. And I believe we decided that number 16 was a home button. So that's the steps of how to turn any image, any piece of text, etc. into an internal link on Keynote for the iPad. I hope this helps. Let me know if I can